Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker chicken tacos. Alright, I'm starting out in my pressure cooker, and I have 4 pounds of chicken here that I cut into big chunks. This is chicken breast, boneless, skinless, and I'm going to get that down on a pressure cooker. It's going to be a real easy, quick recipe. Now I have 2 packs of taco seasoning mix I'm going to add in here. And I just bought 2 of the taco kits. The seasoning came with them. You get the shells and you get the sauce. It's about the most inexpensive way to go. I'm putting 2 packs of the taco seasoning mix in there. And I have a 24-ounce jar of thick and chunky salsa. This is medium on the heat level. You can buy mild if you don't like heat. I'm going to dump that down in there. I'm not going to add any liquid because that will be enough liquid for this to cook. I'm going to grab my lid and put it on the pressure cooker. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I'll let it do a 5-minute natural release of the pressure, and then I'll release the rest of the pressure. Alright, I took my chicken out, I put it in a bowl, and I shredded it up with my electric mixer. I'm going to return it back into that sauce. And if you don't like it real saucy, you can just mix some sauce in a bowl and discard the rest of it. And I hope Dexter doesn't figure out what we're eating tonight, because I don't want any hard feelings. Put that down in there. Alright, now mix this around. Get that mixed down into that sauce. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I put some shredded lettuce and some diced tomato with jalapeno on top of these. I went simple. You can put anything you want in them or top them with anything you like. Let me get in here and give this a try. It's really delicious. Get that nice seasoned chicken, good and tender, juicy. Get the crisp from the taco shell, the freshness from the lettuce and tomato. You get a little bit of heat from the jalapeno. Guys, they're really easy and they're really delicious. Pressure cooker chicken tacos. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.